Hi, welcome back to Lex's World. I'm Lex from Lex's World, and this is Lego Mario. So, recently I've just got the Picnic at Mario's House set. And boy, it looks great. It looks bigger than the old version of Lego Mario's House. I had to fix that piece here. Looks great. It includes that yellow Yoshi, which I call Duncan, and that small boat, which you can go fishing in. But today, I have got two brand new sets today. Are you ready? The first one I got was the Larry and Morton's airship set and the Diddy Kong's minecart ride set. But in this video, we're only going to talk about the Larry and Morton's airship set. I'm going to set it over there later. Yep, that's right. We're only going to worry about the Diddy Kong's minecart ride set. Sorry I knocked you over, Mario. Hey, that's okay, Alex. Let's dig into this. Well, you said it, Mario. Now, let's get the tape uncovered. Get the tape carefully. Sorry, this tape is quite strong. It just wants to keep sticking to the box artwork and ruining it. Now let's dump this box. Let's empty it out and see what we've got. Okay, coming in for the unboxing. This box was just about the same price as that Dry Bowser Castle set. If you would remember that from a previous video. Let's see what we've got. Sorry again, Mario. Okay, pour it out and see what we got. Whoa! Ooh, looks like a lot. Bag. Let's see what we've got. Okay, now we're gonna count how many bags we've got. This is bag 1. This is bag 2. This is bag 3. And this is bag 4. This is bag 5. This is 6. Bag 7. Bag 8. Oh. I don't think I got myself. This is bag 9. This is bag 10. This is bag 11. And this big minecart piece. Yeah, it's a big minecart piece. Also includes that thingy bit, which you might remember from either the Fuzzy Spinners sets or the Big Spikes Cloud Top Challenge. Let's open these bags up and build the set. Okay, I've got this little plastic bin. I already opened up bag 1. Just dump out the sensors and see what we got. Doing it right now. No. Okay, we've got this brick extractor piece. And a whole bunch of small pieces, like this little pickaxe here. And this helmet piece and these feet. Let's put these pieces together and see what we get. Okay, so here's what I built. It's this little mole figure. He has a little pickaxe. It also has some movable arms. So has a helmet, invisible eyes, stubby little nose, and one little tooth. Okay, so what you do with him is that you lay it on its front. And with Lego Mario, you need to take 1, 2, 3 hits. Like that. Let's go on to the next bag. Okay, so now I've built the plane. I've opened bags 2 and 3. This plane is from Donkey Kong Country Tropical Freeze. It has a little prize machine. It has the 3 balloons. Red one is to conclude lives. Green one is to help with pitfalls, and blue is to help with underwater. There's something special if you do it like this. Yeah, here you get a red balloon, which is a mushroom. And if you do it again, see, I've already got that red mushroom. Try not to get down. Yeah, that sound. I was thinking of the little Wario making that sound. He goes like, "Oh no!" Well, anyway, if we do this again, a green balloon, walnut mushroom. Again, anyway, we get this one. Red. Yes, all you get is the red and the green balloon. And the best part is that you can remove the roof. Oh, sorry, Lego Mario. And put Lego Mario in there. Put him ready for a flight. And you can take... And you can take off. See the skies. Wow, Mario is now really flying through the air on a plane. And look, you can even recreate that opening from the song It Burns, Burns, Burns. Yeah, speaking of which, I do have a very popular video which I made last year. It's called the Lego Super Mario It Burns, Burns, Burns meme. That video was it had so many views, and it was such a great video. Oh, and I also did a remastered version of that video. If you want a link to either of these, both of those links are in the description. And speaking of links in the description, the second part is in the description. I am dividing this video into parts because I can't make videos this long. Well, stay tuned, everybody. Click the link in the description, and I will see you again.